Tracking your forecast now, I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens, and we've got a storm system passing to our north. This area of low pressure coming through Utah and Colorado over the next couple of days. For us, we're going to stay dry as we sit at the southern end of this, but winds are really going to pick up here out of the west and southwest across our state. And so as conditions stay dry and those winds increase, fire danger is going up across our state tomorrow. Red flag warnings across northern, eastern and southern Arizona. We're also seeing them along the Colorado River Valley and in the higher terrain just north and east of the Phoenix metro area. So fire danger will be high. Wind gusts could even hit 40 miles per hour here in the Phoenix metro area. As we take you to about 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, that's when things get windy up north and windy down to our south as well. For the valley, our winds pick up as we head into the late afternoon forecast around 4 p.m. Sustained winds up to 22 miles per hour. And again, those gusts could hit 40 here, about 55 mile per hour wind gust up north. And although we are tracking breezes again in the Saturday forecast, winds are going to be a whole lot lighter across our state by then. So here's a look at your valley planner. 71 degrees at 6 a.m. tomorrow, low 80s at 9 and low 90s at noon. We're going to avoid the triple digits and continue to see temperatures drop as we head into the weekend too. 97 in that forecast around 4 p.m. tomorrow, still in the 90s around 6. And the strongest winds will be through the afternoon hours. As we take a look across the valley, temperatures dropping into the 90s. Carefree going even lower though, 87 up there tomorrow. Lows in the 60s for us all across the Phoenix metro area tonight. And then as we take a look at that forecast for tomorrow, 95 in Deer Valley, 96 in Glendale and 97 in Laveen and Avondale for tomorrow afternoon. Now across the state, lows tonight down into the 50s for Prescott and Sedona. No freezes. Our coldest spots going down into the 40s. That'll be Flagstaff, the Grand Canyon and Heber in the overnight hours. Now tomorrow, highs in the 60s and 70s up along the rim, 87 in Globe, 90s from the valley down south into Tucson and all out to the west. Highs in the 90s there too. And we'll keep those 90s around through the weekend. Saturday again, still a little breezy at 94 and then lighter winds Sunday and Monday as Phoenix tops out at 97. High pressure is going to be back next week though, so the heat is really going to be on. The triple digits return on Tuesday and we're going to keep on climbing from there. Phoenix going up to 106 by next Thursday as overnight lows climb into the mid 70s.